And as we were listening to beautiful young ladies, definitely we were seeing that the spark of Yodha was actually there, and the spark of Yodha will always be there. I just want to know, and I want to ask the audience, have you heard the word unwanted? And have you heard the word a girl child unwanted? Have you heard that? Sure, right? And have you also heard that, oh, बिचारी का तो बाप भी नहीं है, और girl child, वो बिचारी का भाई भी नहीं है, again a girl child. And that unwanted girl child is none other than this Dr. Neeta Mishra, who turned out to be Dr. Neeta Mhatre. And here is where I'm going to share my story of being an unwanted child, being an unwanted North Indian community girl child. Again, understanding that she is not going to be an asset, she is going to be a liability. Right? We've all heard this. And I think I practically lived this life. And when I practically lived this life, understanding how this word unwanted really did not make sense to me, but made a sense to a lot of other people. Oh, she's the one. Kya zarwat thi? Why did she even come? And that unwanted became so dominating even in my siblings that I don't know, why did you even come on this earth? And with this unwanted, my journey started. And as this journey started, coming from the community which is North Indian, the best is get her married, let her go. Some unwanted going to one more unwanted community and becoming wanted. Let's see what does that want happen. And the wanted journey started so soon that as soon as I started pursuing my first year of homeopathy, at the age of 19 getting married, at the age of 21 having my first baby, taking my both the degrees together, being a mother, being a degree holder of a medical, and by 25 the game was finished. My government did not even last for 5 years. Sad, right? But I think it wasn't sad. I think that is where it made a lot of sense to me, and that is the time when this Yodha took that active step that yes, I need to come out. I need to stop succumbing to all these talks, what is being said as unwanted, girl child, बिचारी का बाप ही नहीं है, कुछ नहीं कर सकती है, इसके तो भाई भी नहीं है, कहां से क्या करेगी? And that is the time when I took that step of being wanted, of being heard, of being relevant, and also being one person who will actually not only change the way we think, but the change will come in the act. Have you also heard the word विचार? आपने सभी ने सुना है ये शब्द विचार? क्या लगता है आपको? ये विचार शब्द बहुत हल्का है या इस विचार वेरी वेरी इफेक्टिव? इफेक्टिव? यस, मेरे अनुसार भी विचार बहुत बहुत इफेक्टिव रहा है. मैंने सिर्फ 3 शब्दों पे ध्यान दिया और ये 3 शब्दों से मैंने मेरी जिंदगी की पूरी गथा चेंज कर दी. मैंने अपने विचारों को चेंज किया. I thought I do not want to become a Meena Kumari of anybody's story. I do not want to have that victim mindset. And that victim mindset is something which I can just stop it. I did not wanted people telling me, oh my God, अब तक तो बाप नहीं था, अब तक तो unwanted थी, अब husband भी छोड़ दिया. और husband क्यों छोड़ा? क्योंकि मैं मोटी हो गई, डिलीवरी के बाद बदसूरत हो गई, और एक बदसूरत मोटी के साथ एक अच्छा आदमी नहीं रह सकता था. और वो एक अच्छा आदमी इसलिए था क्योंकि he was an IAS officer and I was unpresentable in front of him. Again a North Indian, right? And ultimately even I gave birth to a female, but wanted. For me it was not an unwanted. I thought this is enough and this cycle should now stop. this repetition of every time a girl going through this unwanted journey should be stopped. And that is the time when I took an active step of changing my vichar, my व्यवहार and my वाणी. मैंने इन तीनों को अपनी ताकत बना ली और इन तीनों के साथ मैंने अपने विचारों के साथ लड़ा. मैं अपने वाणी के साथ संबंध बनाना शुरू कर दी. I started getting into my own self-acceptance that this word of unwanted will no more be into my dictionary. And I will never see to it that this word comes into the dictionary of any other girl, any other person rather for that matter. And I took that active step in working towards my mind, my progress and my behavior. मैंने अपने विचारों, व्यवहार और वाणी से सिर्फ और सिर्फ उनसे इतना ज़्यादा संबंध बना दिया कि I think when this word came as योद्धा, मुझे बहुत जल्दी रियलाइज हुआ कि मुझे कुछ हो नहीं रहा. I wasn't feeling, because I feel that every day a yodha is there, every minute a yodha is there, and every time a yodha is facing a yodha. It is so important to stand. कहा है ना, तूफान को आना है, आकर चले जाना है. So that is how the tufan did come. But tufan, when it went away, it gave me something which was my own calling, my own purpose. My own calling, my own purpose, and to live this life with dignity, but not live the life where somebody would really throw one chapati and tell that this has been given to this unwanted. So I was very happy to take that journey in my life. As this journey was going ahead, raising daughter, single mother, lot of questions, lot of answers. How would you do this? How would you do that? In fact, at times it was there कि I was even thrown away from the car, telling that तुम्हारी औकात भी गाड़ी में बैठने लायक नहीं, तुम्हारा बाप तो है ही नहीं. हमको तो गाड़ी मिली भी रही थी दहेज. And I remember when I bought my first car, it gave me that privilege. मन में हुआ कि किसको बिठाना है कि नहीं बिठाना. Now it's my thought, but I felt that I should give this chance that everyone should sit in my car. People who have not even experienced what it really means to sit in that car. And I remember even the beggars sitting in my car, because they were like, Madam, ek selfie nikalenge. And I was feeling so proud to have that selfie with them, because I was removed from the car. And I knew how did it pinch when I was removed and I was used the word, tumhari to औकात bhi nahi hai gaadi mein बैठ. And by today's grace of God, I have three cars. We have the power to change. We have the power to work. And we also have the power to change the narratives. The narratives which goes on in my mind. शायद इस narrative से मैं यहाँ पे रहती, तब मैं जिंदगी भर यही रहती. I would not have changed the narrative. I would not have changed the story. I would not have taken the power to change and rewrite my story. And as ma'am had said a very beautiful word, that learn, unlearn, unlearn, unlearn and relearn. Sorry. So it is very important that we need to understand that life would give you lot of jhatkes, speed breakers hone chahiye. Because until unless you do not have speed breaker, we might not really understand what life wants to teach you. And when life is really teaching you, be grounded. It is there for your betterment. So I think I do not have anything to even go back and see what happened, but I have a future, I have a vision, I have a mission, that it's not only one person's story, it could be so many yodhas' story, and we all are yodhas here. Chalte chalte, only one very important thing, ki please remember that you are not a football of people's opinions. Do not give the remote control into anybody's hand. Be the master of that remote, be the master of that one kick of your ball which is in your hand. Do not allow people to take decisions for you. And when we are all here wanted, अगर मैं unwanted होती तो भगवान ऐसे ही नहीं बोलते ना कि you are here. We are here all for a mission. We are all here for a vision. And understanding this mission and vision and bowing down from a yodha to all the yodhas sitting here, thank you.